Welcome to the Turks and Caicos Islands. My name is Dr. Austin Gallagher, and I'm the Chief Marine Biologist from the Ocean Research Group Beneath the Waves. My team and I, along with support from the Department of the Environment and Coastal Resources and local marine operator Big Blue Collective, have been conducting a survey of sharks and rays throughout the Turks and Caicos Islands. To collect information on the presence, abundance, and behavior of sharks and rays, we use a tool called a baited remote underwater camera, also known as a BRUV. This device is composed of a PVC frame, arm extending out with bait to attract predators, and a small underwater camera that records for up to 2 hours. These devices are placed throughout the islands and are a great way to non-invasively survey the shark and ray populations. To date, we have deployed over 200 BRUVs, and I'd love to share some of our exciting results so far. Sharks have been seen on roughly 90% of all shallow water BRUV deployments, with the most common large-sized shark being the Caribbean reef shark. This species is found widely throughout the greater Caribbean, and in the TCI, we are seeing Caribbean reef sharks of juvenile and adult stages. On some reefs, we have even seen up to 4 reef sharks at once on camera, suggesting a high relative abundance in certain areas. The reef shark is the most abundant top predator in the TCI. Here is a shot looking down with the BRUV on the seafloor and a large reef shark swimming right by. Another abundant shark species is the Blacknose shark. These sharks are smaller than reef sharks but are seen in high numbers on rocky bottoms, up to 9 individuals at once. This species is an important predator, but it's not at the top of the food chain like the other species. Nurse sharks are also commonly seen on our BRUVs. This is a large bottom-dwelling species that is important for cycling nutrients and energy on the seafloor. Stingrays, which are related to sharks, are seen on about 25% of our BRUV deployments, with the most common species being the southern stingray. Our results suggest that sharks play a role in facilitating the presence of rays on certain reefs. Eagle rays, another species of ray in the TCI, are seen on deeper reefs, such as the habitats of South Caicos. We have even observed oceanic manta rays, like this one seen off the North and West Caicos, during our research. Our research is revealing that the TCI has a relatively stable and healthy population of sharks and rays. In addition to being an important draw for tourism and scuba divers from all over the world, we've also seen some interesting relationships between sharks and other species of finfish. In general, when sharks are present on our cameras, we see higher numbers of fish. This is the case for species such as the yellowtail snapper, as well as species like these jacks. Species of commercial and recreational importance, like the Nassau grouper, also show important relationships with sharks. We found that reefs containing Nassau grouper have nearly 2 times the amount of sharks compared to reefs without Nassau grouper. This trend was also the case for other species of grouper found in the TCI. Taken together, this means that healthy reefs need sharks, and that sharks in the TCI are important members of a healthy marine food web. Our research is beginning to show that protecting sharks and rays in the TCI can have positive effects on local economies related to grouper and snapper fishing, as well as the scuba diving industry. The TCI is fortunate to have these marine resources, and conservation efforts will ensure a healthy marine environment for future generations.